So in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G52. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter security and go to screen lock. Confirm, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe pattern, PIN and password. Let's start with none and let's use it to unlock the phone. Now we can go further to swipe, and also let's use it to unlock the phone. This time let's select PIN. Password. And in the end, pattern. Once it's done, we can go to Fingerprint Unlock and simply scan our fingerprint on the sensor located on the power button on the left side, on the right side of the phone. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time adjust the fingerprint position. Now let's use my fingerprint to unlock the phone. And the last method to unlock the phone is face unlock. Simply scan your face on this area. Unfortunately, I'm not able to scan my face right now due to some kind of malfunction, but basically you scan your face on this window and then use it to unlock the phone via the front camera. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.